Okay, everything's fine. Yeah. Okay, good. So you are Srishti, right?
Yes.
So hello, Srishti. Hi. So you are not going to school these days, right? Schools
Yeah.
are closed.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you're studying at home?
Yeah.
You're studying at home. Very good. That's very impressive. Good. Very good. So do you know what is the topic today? What topic we're going to study today? Do you know that?
Place values?
Very good. Yes. So shall I start?
Yes.
Okay, good. So today's topic is place value, right?
Yes.
So now before we talk about place value using some technical terms like place value, so I guess there's one thing we really need to understand, and that is what is a digit. Okay, and we should know how to count the number of digits in a number. Okay, so for that I have a very nice image for you. Let me share it with you. Okay, and let me know when you're able to see the image. Is the image there?
No.
Okay, it will be there. Just wait for a second. Is it there?
No.
Still not there?
I can
Can
only
you see
see
it?
you.
Sorry?
I can only see you.
You have to look at the whiteboard. Isn't there any image?
Yes, I can see it.
Okay, good. So you see different digits, right? 0, 1, 2. Okay, good. So here we actually have digits, digit 0, digit 1, digit 2, digit 3, digit 4, digit 5, digit 6, digit 7, digit 8, and digit 9. So these are digits. Okay?
Yes.
Now let us take one example to understand that how to count the number of digits. Let us take example say 26. Okay, so here we have a digit 2 and a digit 6. So there are 1 and 2. So there are two digits. Okay, so let us take one more example, say 38. So we have a digit 3 and a digit 8. So we have 1 and 2. We have two digits here again. Okay,
Yes.
good. Let us take few more examples for better understanding. Okay, let us take 6. So we have digit 6. So how many digits are there? There
One
is
digit.
only one digit. Very good. There is only one digit over here. Let me give you one example. Tell me how many digits are there in 738?
3 digits.
3. Very good. 1, 2, and 3. So there are 3 digits, right?
Yes.
So now that we know how to count the number of digits in a number, we can move to the next thing, which is to understand ones and tens, right?
Yes.
Ones and tens. And for that, I have a very nice short video for you. I hope you will enjoy it. Let me know when you're able to see the video, okay? The audio should be very clear to you.
Okay.
Hello kids,
Is it there?
today
Yes.
we will
Good.
learn about
Good.
tens and ones place of the number. That is the place value of a number. Now let's get started. Now let's understand the concept of tens place and ones place of a number by a given set of objects. Here we have some smiley balls as objects. Now let's
can't
group
hear
them
it.
as 10. Now let's start
Wait a
counting
second.
the number of
Okay.
balls.
You can't hear it, the video.
I can't hear it.
Please check the volume in your PC. You're using a PC or laptop?
I'm using a phone.
You're using a phone. Okay. Please increase the volume for that.
Okay. It's all the way up.
Okay, I'm playing it again and we'll see.
1, 2,
Are you able
3,
to?
No, I cannot hear it.
4,
Okay, wait a second. First of all, you have logged in from your phone. Usually, the website takes a laptop or a PC to log in. Okay, so if you're using your phone, it can be quite difficult for that. But let me just ask my technical staff for that. You just wait for a second, okay?
Okay. I mean, I know what tens and ones are, so it's fine. Can I tell her that I go on this? Face go. Where did my face go?
Hello?
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, but I can't see you.
Okay. I can't see myself either.
Oh my god. Why that so?
I don't know.
Are you placing your hand in front of the camera?
No.
Did you do something with the settings or something else?
No.
She tried to off the camera for some time. That's what it
Sorry?
happened. And she tried to
I
off.
was off,
You,
off the camera, but it didn't say. It says my camera's.
your voice is really breaking actually.
Should I leave and join back?
Yes,
Okay.
good.
Is this better?
Hello?
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. Can you see me?
No, I can't see. No, yeah, I can see you.
Okay.
Good to see you. Okay, so I actually called my technical staff, and it doesn't never happen actually that the you are able to hear me, but you are not able to hear the video. So it's okay. We can continue even without the video also. So we were talking actually. Should I continue?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So you're able to listen to me also and hear to me also, right? Oh, sorry, see me also.
Yes.
Okay, good. So now we were actually at the topic of ones and tens. We want to understand ones and tens. So now let me share an image with you. Let me know when you're able to see it, okay?
Okay.
Good. You can also adjust the image on your screen by scrolling the screen up and down. You have that option. Do you see a hand tool on your screen?
Yeah, I see it.
Okay, so you can do that. If the image is not in the center or wherever you want to place it, you can do it by yourself. Good. So I'll expand the image for you. Are you able to see it now?
Yes.
Okay, good. Now here, let us first count the number of smileys, okay? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we have one group of these 10 smileys, right?
Yes.
So I call it 1/10. Why am I calling it 1/10? Because I have one group of these 10 smileys, okay? And now let us count the rest. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 single smileys left. So I'm going to place 4 at ones place and 1 under tens because I have 1/10 and I have 4 single smileys left. So the number becomes 14. Okay? Do you understand that?
Yes.
We'll take more few examples, okay? So here, 1 goes here under tens and 4 goes here under ones, okay? So let us take one more example like that only. Again, I'll share an image with you. Let me know when you're able to see it, okay? Is it there?
Yes.
Good. So here, let me expand it for you. So here, now again, let us count the number of pencils. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have one group of 10 pencils. Okay?
Yes.
So I call it 1/10. Let us count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have one more group of 10 pencils, right?
Yes.
So I again call it 1/10 because we have one group of 10 things. Okay, so we call it 1/10. Okay, now let us count the rest of the pencils. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we are left with 8 single pencils. Okay, so I'm going to place 8 here and 2 here. Why have I placed 2 under tens? Because we have 2/10. Okay,
Okay.
so the number becomes 28. So here I have placed 2 here at tens place and 8 here at ones place. Okay,
Yes.
good. So we'll do one more example like that and we'll see that if we're able to do it. Okay, I'll help you for that.
Okay.
So let me know when you're able to see it, okay?
Okay.
On your mobile phone, isn't the screen quite small? Are you able to see things clearly?
Yeah, it's very clear. I can see everything perfect.
Okay, good. So are we able to see the image?
Yes.
Okay, good. So let us start counting. Will you count for me?
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10. Very good. So we'll stop here and we'll make one group of these 10 bags. 10 school bags, right?
Yes.
So we call it 1/10. Okay. And now we count the rest. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So we have 8 school bags left. Okay. So I'm going to write 8 here and 1 here because I have 1/10. Okay. So what is the number?
18.
Good, it is 18. Okay, so there's one thing that we got to know that 1/10 are actually equal to 10 ones. Let me explain you how. Because here ones represent this one school bag. Let me change the color for you. Here ones actually represent this one school bag. Okay, so I have 10 school bags in 1/10. So 1/10 is equal to 10 school bags or 10 ones. Okay, so this is actually the conclusion of all the images and all the theory that I have told you. Okay, the main purpose is that you should able to get the concept right. So the conclusion is that 1/10 is equal to 10 times ones. Okay, now I have a very nice example for you. We'll see if we are able to do it. Okay, I'll share it with you. Let me know we're able to see it.
Okay, I can see it.
Okay, good. So here, okay, now here we can see that we have ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. Now we are going to talk about hundreds and thousands, not now, definitely not now, because we need to study for them first. But we know about ones and tens now, right?
Yes.
So let us take an example, say 37. Okay, so we have a digit 3 and a digit 7. Now the digit 7 is at ones place and digit 3 is at tens place, right?
Yes.
So what we call it? We call it 7 ones and 3 tens. Okay, good. So let me give you an example and I'll see if you're able to answer it. So I have a number 48. The digit 4 is at tens place and digit 8 is at ones place. So what should I call it?
8 ones and 4 tens.
4 tens. Very good. This is 8 ones and 4 tens. Okay. Now if someone asks you that name the digit which is at the tens place, will you be able to answer?
No.
It is 4.
Oh.
Okay.
Yes.
At tens. Yes. You know, the questions are very simple, but it's the language that makes us complicated, right? So at tens place we have 4, right? And at ones place we have
8.
very good. We have 8. Now, because our today's topic is place value, so we read about ones and tens. We have studied about these things. Okay, we know how to know the number which is at tens place or which is at ones place, but we still don't know what is a place value, right?
Yeah.
So let me tell you one thing. As the name suggests, place value, it is basically the value of a particular place. Okay, it is the value of a particular place in a number. Now, the value of this place, this ones place, is basically 1. Okay, and the value of this place is tens. And that is why they have the names ones and tens, because the value of this particular place is 1 and the value of this particular place is 10. Let me change color for you so that you're able to see more clearly. Okay, so ones and tens. Okay, so that is why in the number 48 we have 4 here, which means 40, because we have 4 tens. So it means it is 40. And we have 8 ones, means we have 8. So it becomes 48. Okay, so I guess now it's more clear to you.
Yes.
Let us take one more example so that it's much more clear to you, right?
Yes.
Do you find it interesting?
Yes.
Yeah, it's a very nice topic actually. It's a very nice topic. Now let us take one more example here. Let's say 73. Okay, we have a digit 7 and a digit 3. So can you tell me the digit which is at tens place?
7.
Very good. This is 7. Okay, and the digit which is at ones place?
Is 3.
3. Very good. That's 3. So we have 3 ones and we have 7 tens. Okay, so because the value of this place is 1 and the value of this place is 10, so it becomes 7 into 10, which is 70, because it is 7 tens. So 70 plus 3, it becomes 73, and so we get the number 73. It is basically, if you multiply 7 into 10 plus 3 into 1, we actually multiply the number, the digit, which is with its place value. So the place value is 10 and the digit was 7. Okay, very clear, right? Very interesting.
Yes.
Good, very good. Okay, so should I give you some example? Will you be able to answer it?
For the tens and ones?
Yeah.
Well, there's this thing I do on my computer also. It's called
Okay.
Khan Academy, and
Okay.
I know the thousands, hundreds, ones, and tens also.
Okay, you know that. Very good.
Yeah.
Very good. Okay,
You can give
so
me you can give me a number like 4,000 something, and I can
okay.
answer the place.
Okay, good. So we'll try that one only. Right? Okay. So let's try for that. Good. That's very impressive. So you're studying at home, right?
Yes.
Good girl. Okay, so we have an image here, and let me give an example. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 6. Okay, so how will you read it?
You would say 4,326.
Very good. So what is the place value of ones?
6.
It is 1. Okay.
Oh, yes. And then
No worries, no worries. Okay. So the place value of 10 is
10. You froze for me. I cannot hear you or see you.
Something happened?
She froze. Okay, she just left. She's from India?
Mm-hmm.
She sounds just like what you would say. Please, bye. You introduce yourself and then you talk to her and tell her that are you from India?
no. You're able to see me?
Yes.
Okay, good. So the value of this place is 1, the value of this place is 10, the value of this place is 100, and the value of this place is thousands, and so are their names actually, right? It's quite simple to memorize that. Okay, now you can see that the more we are moving to the left side of this place value chart, the more worth it is carrying, the more is the value of a particular place. The highest value is of the place thousands, right?
Yes.
The value of the place is 1,000, and the least is of this one, which is only 1. Okay, so it actually becomes 4 into thousands plus 3 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 6 into 1, right?
Yes.
We actually multiply the digit at that particular place with its place value. So it becomes 4,000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 6. So it becomes 4,326.
Yes.
Okay, is that clear to you?
Yes.
Very good. So let me give an example. This time you are going to answer it.
Okay.
Okay, good. You see the image?
Yes.
Good. Okay, say 7,326.
Yes.
Okay, so what is the place value at this place?
1.
Good. At this place?
10.
Good. At this place?
100. 100.
Good. And at this place?
1,000.
Very good. It's 1,000. Okay. And how are you going to spell this whole term?
It would be 7,326.
26. Very good. So how will you write it in expanded form? It is 7 into 1,000 plus 3 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 6 into 1. Okay?
Okay.
Good. So, do you want me to continue or should I keep it till here only?
You can continue.
I can continue. Okay. So, there's one thing which is important for our conclusion, that 1/10 is equal to 10 ones. Okay, 100 is equal to, do you know that? 100 is equal to how much? It is 10 times tens. Okay, and 1000 is equal to, do you know that? It is 10 times the previous place, which is 100. Okay,
Okay.
so let me explain you here again. Now, the moment you move from ones to tens, it gets 10 times more. Okay, the moment you move from tens to hundreds, it gets 10 times more. The
Okay.
moment you move from 100 to thousands, it gets 10 times more. Okay, so that is why we have come to the conclusion that 1/10 is equal to 10 times of the previous place, which is ones. Similarly, 100 is equal to 10 times to the previous place, which is tens. And similarly, 1000 is equal to 10 times the previous place, which is hundreds. Okay, so the more you're moving to the left side of this place value chart, the more is the worth increasing of each place, or we can say the value is increasing of each place. And vice versa, the more you're moving to the right side of this place value chart, the more worth gets decreased. Okay,
Okay.
so it gets increased by 10 times and it also gets decreased by 10 times. Because if you're moving from 1000 to hundreds, it is 10 times less.
Yes.
If you're moving from hundreds to tens, it is getting 10 times less. And again, if you're moving from tens to ones, it is getting 10 times less. Okay?
Okay.
Good. So now, I guess this is enough for today. If you have any doubts, you can ask me.
Okay.
Okay, now one thing I want to ask you actually, you're not going to school these days, right? So on what day is it the schools are getting opened?
They're starting on Thursday.
On Thursday, okay, very close.
Yeah.
You're ready for school?
Yes.
Good, very good. You're a good girl because your studies show actually you're studying very well at home. That's very good. Okay, now tell me one thing that your sister also has to take the class, right?
Yes.
Okay, so either she can take the class here only if she wants to take the class right now, or she can take the class at the time 3 o'clock. Okay, you can ask her.
You can do it right now, my mom said.
Okay, fine. Call her.
Thank you.
Oh, it's okay, dear.